got this 2003 Volvo with nice American communist engine in it. It's gonna be our next project. We're going to install this Chinese air diesel heater. Just want to make sure nothing gonna be on our way. I'm thinking to put it in the middle and exhaust go somewhere there. Alright, we got the RPMs going. It's the old Volvo. It's pretty nice though. Okay, this is our toolboxes, and in the middle right here it's empty spot, so I was thinking put the heater right here. Alright, this plate is going here. Little exhaust thing, manual. Nice with this simple knob. Pump, little pump action for 3 kilowatts, still humongous. Look at that. This thing is massive. Oh my. Let's see if I can fit in this piglet. Oh yeah, it's gonna be perfect here. If I can get rid of this middle part, it would be awesome. So I got rid of that sleeper of the bed box, and now it's gonna be easy to access here. Beautiful. So I'm thinking this tiny little piglet will be right here, blown this way. Alright, so this saw didn't really work that good, so I used a drill like in prison. Okay, so this is the most difficult part. Cut it out, measurements and all that. So this is done. Now it's easy part, installing this bad boy. Don't forget about this wire right here. It's going outside for the pump. Run it through here. We got intake, exhaust, and the diesel hose ready to be connected from outside, and of course this wire for the pump. $4. So what I like to do is bring it all the way down, and raise up a couple inches. So that would be right here. Use my special tool. Well, as far as fuel line from the tank, that's how I did it. I love it that they gave me this type of a clamps. They're holding way better diesel. And right here, yes, it's sliding a little bit. What I'm gonna do, probably put a little bit tape over, like electric tape or amazing goop, because it's hold diesel pretty good. And after that, just gonna simply install it into the tank. Nice amount of amazing goop. So this is as far as the fuel line. Man, it's a little windy here. It goes all the way from the tank. This is gonna be solid, it's not gonna really move. Going all the way here, here, into the filter, into the pump. They recommend put pump about roughly 45, angle at a 45 degrees. Now I got a little extra loop here, because sleep are gonna rise a little bit on the air cushions, on the airbags. So this is the intake and this is exhaust. For now I'm just gonna leave it like that. Maybe later on I will extend. Some people pointed to the fuel tank. So we're done at the bottom. Let's go up back to the sleeper. Everything looks good here, aligned. Our negative wire is going here. Alright, so here we got like a three-way for air. Nice. Well, finally it's all done. This is where it's sucking the air under the sleeper. And this is where it's blowing the air. Boom. So we got a little sucking blowing action right there. Most of the truckers have like an open vent here, so the cold air being sucked from the sleeper, but I don't like that. I like it to be specifically circulating air right here, instead of all this dust and gunk and all that going to computer electric system and into the fan. So this is gonna be, no matter what's going on here, it's going to be recirculating right here. Nice clean air. Oh boy. Okay, so let's give it a little more juice. Let's go under truck, take a look how the pump is pumping the fuel. Well, thanks for watching, my friends. Please like, subscribe, and have a wonderful day. Stay warm this winter.